People who like shooting videos will possibly know the advantages of having a camera monitor. Ergonomic and high-quality camera monitors will serve you for an extended period, and you must be more careful when purchasing one. They don't just give you a bigger display either, as many include features like focus peaking, zebra lines, and waveforms to help you dial in the best settings. Because there are a lot of monitors on the market, and picking the correct choice can be a bit challenging. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Feelworld F100 offers a full view angle IPS panel with LED backlight and supports 4K input with Ultra HD 1280 by 800 resolution. It has HDMI and composite inputs as well as a headphone port and built-in speaker. Also, it comes with an interchangeable L-series battery plate attached and supports optional L-series batteries, or a 12-volt AC adapter for power. Besides, this affordable monitor also offers focus assist, pixel-to-pixel, and zoom functions for setting up your shot. Moreover, it comes with an HDMI clamp and is included for preventing your HDMI cable from accidentally being removed. And a shoe mount is supplied for mounting the monitor on top of your camera. On the other hand, the EVA storage carrying case is specifically designed for 7 inches field monitor. The Feelworld T7 gives you the ability to connect directly to a camera and view images and videos in real time. It has a 7-inch IPS LED screen, features a 1920 by 1200 resolution and 1200 by 1 contrast ratio, along with 323 pixels per inch for sharp, accurate colors. Also, it offers a 160-degree viewing angle and 450 CD by M2 backlight, and you can view your content at any angle and lighting condition. Besides, the monitor has 4K HDMI loop-out input and output ports so that you can connect to a 4K camera or TV without an adapter. Moreover, it features useful functions into its small size, including peaking, zoom, pixel mapping, anamorphic de-squeeze, frame lines, markers, and image flip. The Feelworld F5 features a native 1920 by 1080p resolution and an 80-degree viewing angle, 450 CD by M² brightness, a contrast ratio of 1000 to 1, and supports up to 4096 by 2160 resolution via its HDMI input and output ports. Also, it is powered by one F970 or LPE6 battery, using its built-in dual-purpose battery mount. Besides, it offers an 8.4 VDC barrel output that can be used to power your DSLR or mirrorless camera. Moreover, it is equipped with an HDMI input and output, allowing for connection to 4K cameras and pass-through video. On the other hand, it features 2 standard 1x4-inch to 20-inch mounting points for secure attachment to cameras and rigs, or mount it on top of your camera for use as an HD viewfinder. The Lilliput A7s comes with a 16:10 aspect ratio and 1000 to 1 contrast ratio, in which the LCD panel displays full HD images. It offers control over your shooting workflow both in the field and studio. You can create shortcuts to your favorite and most used monitor functions using the 2 customizable function keys. It features an HDMI 1.4 input, making it suitable for Ultra HD 4K filmmaking and photography. Besides, it uses advanced functions such as timecode, columnar YRGB, pixel zoom, vector scope, audio level meters, peaking, false color, histogram, exposure, etc. On the other hand, you can mount the monitor onto your camera by attaching the included shoe mount adapter to the 1x4 to 20-inch threads at the bottom. Holding the first place among the list of best camera monitors we have, Feelworld F570. It features a display resolution of 1920 by 1080, and the IPS screen allows for off-axis viewing of 85-degree up, down, left, right. Also, it offers a brightness of 460 CD/M², with a contrast ratio of 1400 to 1. Besides, the monitor incorporates an HDMI input with a loop-through HDMI out. Moreover, it includes a mini HDMI cable, sunshade, shoe mount, and an F970 L-series battery plate. On the other hand, When connected to the 12-volt DC input, you get continuous power, or you can run it off a compatible rechargeable battery.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.